Hi, this is Guy. I wanted to do a quick introduction to using a feature in Windows called the Narrator. So the way to get to that is to click on the Start button down here in your taskbar at the bottom, and then scroll up and click on the Settings, and that gives you a window with lots of different settings in it. And the one that you need to get to is actually not at the top of the screen here. You have to scroll down a bit to get to it, and it's called Ease of Access. So click on that, and so there's a number of things having to do with the display and the size of the cursor and pointer and the magnifier, colors and contrast, but the narrator is over here on the left side. So we click on Narrator, and it gives a lot of settings here, but I'm just going to turn Narrator on.
Starting TextSmith's Magic Recorder window on toggle button.
And I think maybe you could hear that. I'm going to close that window.
Magic Recorder window on
So
toggle button.
Now I'm in a web page in our course.
Tooltip Collapse CI 2000.
So whenever you mouse over something and a tooltip pops up, it reads the tooltip to you. But here's a post in the discussion, and if I click on that,
the healthcare industry is making more of a self-serve industry by having a patient portal. This makes it easier for the patient to look up their records. They can also look to see if any note thread, Week 5 discussion, CI 2000, computer.
So that stopped when I clicked out of it, and I'm going to go back and pop
Start
up
window, Cortana,
the
places, settings window, search box,
Ease of
search
Access
box,
again,
find a setting,
and
editing,
go to
item
Narrator.
described by vision, narrator, 6
And,
of 6 level 2, select use exiting
I'm
narrator.
going to turn it off so you can hear me talk and not hear the narrator talking at the same time. A bunch of default settings are already chosen for you here. Just scrolling down through them, don't try to read all these, but one of the ones I wanted to point out is the shortcut key to start the narrator. So the window key, control key, and enter will turn the narrator on if it's off, or turn it off if it's on. So that's a good thing to remember, so you don't have to keep going back to the settings menu and click on this button right here to turn it on and off. But the narrator could be used to read the directions for an assignment to you, or to read text from a web page or textbook. There is actually a narrator option in the Cengage textbook as well. But I didn't know if everybody knew about these things, and I just wanted to make that more obvious to you. So thanks.